Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today's episode, we ditch the old step bumper and the receiver hitch and install a roll pan. I'm Blue Collar Blake and I'm your host. Let's get at it. All right, first things first, I'm gonna crawl under here, take this hitch off. All of you. Somebody didn't want the hitch to come off because it's welded in place. So let's get out the old grinding machine. Great. All right, I went ahead and took the tailgate off the truck just to get it out of the way. Easier to work on things. All right, so I went ahead and got my death wheel all set up. I'm gonna go underneath, grind off those welds and those bolts, and then hopefully the receiver comes off. So first things first, you're gonna wanna use proper PPE, gloves for your hands, glasses that you can't see out of for your eyes, and in case of a fire, because we are working on a running, driving truck with a gas tank, right there, you're gonna wanna get one of these bad boys. You know, fire extinguisher might work a little bit better, but this is what I have. All right, let's get to it. Well, that was good, so yeah. And carrying on, get this bad boy out of there. Now you're going to want to have Buddy here to hold this so it doesn't fall on you. But I'm working solo today. And just like that. Okay, so off camera I went ahead. I used a bunch of WD-40 on these nuts and bolts underneath here, and this back bumper is ready to come off. Oh, come on. now that the back bumper's off, I went ahead and test fit the roll pan here. I have some clearance issues, and it's because of this license plate cutout. This indent right here is hitting this. So we're gonna have to make a mark, and we're gonna have to use the old zip cut and just cut a little bit off so this old girl sits flush in the back of this truck. And I got the old square. It's very, very precise. Only gonna take about 1.25 inches out of it. There. And 1.25 inches about there. Should be enough. Hope I don't need that piece again. Alright, the roll pan is in place here. I have some vice grips underneath here holding the bottom flush here. You might have to use a little bit of body work just to get things to line up properly. But now it's in place, we're going to drill some holes and bolt her in. I'm not 100% happy with the hardware that came with the kit. You're supposed to drill a hole and then screw it in place. I think I might use rivets later on, and might even tack weld the corners just for a more solid fit. But here we go. Alright, I'll repeat this all the way down, show you the finished product. Alright folks, here is the finished product. See, everything lines up really nice. I'm not going to worry about painting it right now. It's just kind of test fit. The bottom of the truck has some paint issues, so when I get that fixed, I will work on the roll pan as well. I do have some issues closing the tailgate because of that dent there, but I'll get a new tailgate, problem be solved. All right, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe and notification bell, and I will see you next time.